What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm extremely excited because in front of me I have a demo model of the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I just got some cases in from i-Blason. Now, these are the Cosmo, and the CosLite. Let's get them open, check them out. So these two right here, the ones I have in my right hand, these are the Cosmo. I'm going to sit those to the side. And this is the CosLite. Now, I have not opened these cases up yet, so I do not know what they look like. So let's get them unboxed. This is CosLite. Now you notice the camera, you're gonna have 3 cameras on this phone. Let's pop this on and see what this case looks like. Now remember that Samsung is gonna have their fingerprint scanner embedded right into the screen this time. There is no fingerprint recognition. There's no fingerprint button on here, no scanner, no nothing. You get your i-Blason branding right there. Clear cutout for your cameras, your sensors on the back. Buttons match up really nice with this phone. Volume rocker, Bixby button. Microphone port up top. Looks really nice and well placed. Down bottom, you got USB Type-C charging. You got 3.5mm headphone jack. And you have a speaker port. All are right there, easy to access, ready to go. On the side, you get your power button, just like so. And everything else is a go. It's a nice shiny case. It comes in like this marble. So you can go about and pick one of these up. I'll be sure and leave a link below so you can check these out. But since we've done the CosLite, now let's move on to the Cosmo. So here I have in my hand 2 versions of the Cosmo. This is Cosmo in marble, and this is Cosmo in purple. Let's get them open and check them out. Okay, so I have them here, got them unboxed. So right away, you notice these two are almost identical. CosLite, Cosmo. What is going to separate these 2 cases? This case has no border edge. This case does. Since the new S10 is going to have the fingerprint reader embedded right into the screen, i-Blason was not able to put the plastic screen protectors in as they normally would. Hence, now they give you this border that's going to protect your edges. So just like with any of their phones, you're going to take that front edge off. You're going to drop that in. And voila. Snaps into place just like so. This is what you get. You get full protection. Your screen sits down in that recess. You're not going to have any issues with bumping, scratches, bruises. Screen sits down in the recess. Camera sits down in that recess. Power button matches up wonderfully. Volume rockers and Bixby button as well. 3.5mm headphone jack. USB Type-C and your speaker, down firing speaker. All that in a small package, and it's ready to go. Now let's get the other one on. So we tried on the marble. I'm going to set that one to the side for right now. Got the marble. It's a go. It's winning. Let's see. Now, this is the purple. Now, me, myself, I won't be rocking the purple just because I'm not a purple fan. And it is really sparkly. So, I'm sure that the ladies will love these cases. You just put that front shell on, snap it into place. Boom. There you go. You get that nice i-Blason protection all in this packaging. You get raised edges, so that your screen is not going to get all jacked up. Power button matches up. All our other cutouts are go. Everything looks good. Buttons feel nice and tactile. Microphone port up top is good. Everything is a go. So this phone will be coming out along with the S10 and the S10 Lite. i-Blason has cases for all of these phones. They were just able to send me over this model so I could try on these cases for right now. But you'll be able to go by their website. You can check these out on Amazon. I'm going to throw up some links in the description so you can go by and get some of these on your own. But for now, this has been the Cos-Lite in marble, the Cosmo in marble, and the Cosmo in purple. And remember, the only difference in the Cosmo and the CosLite is the Cosmo, you're going to get this edging, this bumper. And the CosLite is just basically a skin that you're gonna, like a bumper shell that you're gonna put on. So I hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.